In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. If you want to reduce eye strain and save battery life, then this video is for you. It's a simple process that can make your YouTube experience much better while watching your favorite videos. So, how do you turn on dark mode on YouTube app? To do that, simply open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, tap on General. Now tap on Appearance. Finally, select Dark Theme to turn on dark mode on. And just like that, you've successfully turned on dark mode on your YouTube app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.